Hello and welcome to the Distributor How-To video series. The tools to help you sell more products are now in our basket. To get to the basket, make a product search. Select the products you want. These are now in the basket. Once in the basket, you can place an order with your suppliers, request quotes from suppliers, request samples from suppliers, export data to your office software, quote your customer, and send idea sheets to your customers too. To quote your customer, select this button here. You then need to create a new quotation, save that quotation, and then email quote sheet. You can send your quotation directly from Sourcing Machine by filling in this area here, or you can choose to download it as a PDF, which we'll do in a minute. Just to add a quote sheet reference, name your quote sheet, select who it's from if you're sending it via HTML, and then you can make any changes you want to this quotation. You can opt to untick all the boxes and add your own prices in here if you want to. You can add your own quantities, and the system will mark up the price that you've given here by the percentage markups in this area. You can always mouse over the question mark if you want to see what the selling price is going to be. Once you're happy with that, save changes and move on to the next product. Once you're happy with your quotation, click View or Download. What you'll see is a professionally laid out quotation with your contact details, your logo, and all the products that you want to quote your customer. You can then email that directly to your customer through your email inbox if you want. Thanks for watching.